and welcome to today's Swahili lesson. Our today's lesson is very interesting because we are going to learn Swahili vowels, numbers, and greetings with songs. And we are going to do so in less than 10 minutes. Okay, so without further ado, let us get started. Okay, so we have 3 songs. Okay, the first one is vowel song, the second one is numbers song, and then the third one is a greetings song. Okay, so what we'll do is that I'll sing first, and then you have to listen carefully, and then when I'm going to sing it for the second time, you have to sing along with me. Okay, this is very important because it will help you learn the correct pronunciation and articulation of the Swahili sounds. Okay, so make sure to sing along. Okay, so let us start with our very first song, which is vowel song, wimbo wa vokali. So wimbo means song, and then vokali means vowel. Okay, the song goes like this. A, E, I, O, U. Hizi ni herufi kuu, tamka kwa sauti kuu, imba A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so let us sing together. 1, 2, 3, go. A, E, I, O, U. Hizi ni herufi kuu, tamka kwa sauti kuu, imba A, E, I, O, U. Very good. So the translation is that A, E, I, O, U. When you say hizi ni herufi kuu, these are the main sounds. Okay, herufi means letters or sounds. Okay, and then tamka kwa sauti kuu. Tamka is to pronounce or to say. So kwa sauti kuu, say it out loud. Okay, then imba, sing A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so let us sing it again for the last time. 1, 2, go. A, E, I, O, U. Hizi ni herufi kuu, tamka kwa sauti kuu, imba A, E, I, O, U. Excellent. Okay, so let us move to our second song, which is numbers song. So wimbo, you already know, is song, and then number is numbers. Okay, so this one we are going to learn the basic numbers from 1 to 10, and knowing number 1 to 10 is very important, and then learning the rest, it will be very simple because you are going to follow a very simple pattern. Okay, but knowing from 1 to 10 is what is the most important thing. Okay, so our song will help us count from 1 to 10. It goes like this. Najua kuhesabu namba, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Vidole vya mikono yangu, jumla yake 10. Huku 5 na huku 5, jumla yake 10. Okay, so let us sing together. 1, 2, go. Najua kuhesabu namba, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Vidole vya mikono yangu, jumla yake 10. Huku 5 na huku 5, jumla yake 10. Very good. So the translation is when you say najua kuhesabu namba, means I know, najua kuhesabu, to count number, okay? Then we start counting. Moja, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, and then 10, 10. Okay? And then the second stanza is saying vidole vya mikono yangu. Vidole means finger, mikono is hand. So the fingers of my hands, okay? Jumla yake 10 are 10 in total. Okay? So huku tano na huku tano. One hand 5 and other hand 5. The total is 10. Jumla yake 10. Okay? So that's the meaning. Okay? So let us sing it together again for the last time. 1, 2, go. Najua kuhesabu namba 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Vidole vya mikono yangu jumla yake 10. Huku tano na huku tano jumla yake 10. That's very good. Okay, so let us move to our last song, which is a greeting song. Wimbo wa salamu. Okay, so wimbo you already know is song, and then salam is greetings. Okay, so the song goes like this. Jambo, jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana. Wageni mwakaribishwa, Tanzania yetu hakuna matata. Okay, so let us sing together. 1, 2, go. Jambo, jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana. Wageni mwakaribishwa, Tanzania yetu hakuna matata. Wow, that's very good. I'm not a singer anyway. Okay, so the meaning is that when you say jambo bwana or jambo bibi, means hello Mr. and then hello Mrs. Miss. Okay? Habari gani means how are you? The response will be nzuri sana, very good. And then wageni mwakaribishwa. Wageni means visitors. Mwakaribishwa is welcomed. Okay? So wageni mwakaribishwa, visitors are welcomed. And then Tanzania yetu means our Tanzania. So you can put your country there. Let's say our United Kingdom, our United States, our Ghana, our Nigeria. Okay, any country at all. And then hakuna matata, no worries, no troubles. Okay, so that's the song. Let us repeat it for the last time. 1, 2, go. Jambo, jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana. Wageni mwakaribishwa, Tanzania yetu hakuna matata. Jambo, jambo bibi, habari gani? Nzuri sana. Wageni mwakaribishwa, Tanzania yetu hakuna matata. Okay, so these are our 3 songs for today. I hope you enjoyed them. So try and keep singing them over and over again. It will help you learn the vowels and then the greetings as well as numbers. Thank you so much for listening. Bye bye.